Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. When I came across this video, I've never been so happy, not because our brothers are chasing away foreigners from that company, but because of seeing South Africans, of seeing our brothers, Zulus and Xhosas, together fighting for their country, speaking in one voice. So this company is hiring illegal immigrants in Joburg. So our brothers, Zulus and Xhosas, came together to say, no, we cannot allow this to happen in our own country. These people must go and fix their own countries so that they will create jobs for themselves. At least they have skills. They are business minded. At least they must go back and do businesses to create jobs in their own countries. Because we don't understand this thing of saying we came to develop South Africa, we came to contribute in South Africa. Why contributing in a better country instead of going to fix your own problems? Instead of going to develop and create jobs in your own country. People are suffering in your own country. You are busy fixing other countries. You are busy developing and contributing in other countries. What is the meaning of that? So really, it doesn't make sense at all. So let's watch the video, guys.
Yaloka madoda yahamba. Wenza lo mntu lokho igate lo mntu lo. Yaloka madoda yahamba manje yahamba because umlungu uyadlala ukuthi akekho oversee umlungu. Ngoku sithi hayi makalanto makahambe. Asiye baba sihambe sokubambisa itaxi ebheke elanto. Sokubambisa itaxi ebheka eBay Bridge ngoku. yeZimbabwe hayi madoda uyahamba hayi ukhile. Ngibonile naku igate hayi shekisele ivaliwe. Hayi uhambile madoda uhambile. Njalo madoda ngathi ubumbano liyabuya eJoburg. Ubumbano liyabuya madoda liyabuya. Thethwa ngazilwinye kuthiwa makuvala igate ahambe because kuthi umlungu akekho ubheke elanto oversee umlungu oversee.
So as you can hear this brother speaking in this video, saying they are united together, Xhosas and Zulus, they are united, fixing their country, fighting for their country together. So this employer is trusting these foreigners to the extent of leaving the keys of the company with them. So this employer is trusting illegal immigrants to the extent of giving them the keys of the company. He is not around. If it's not a lie, because maybe they are hiding him because they know that patriots are here. But for him to hand over the keys of the company to them, it shows the trust he or she has for them. But they don't want South Africans near their companies. So as I said, I'm very proud of these guys. I'm very proud of these Zulus and Xhosas who are coming together to fight for their country. And we want to see more of this. Because really we don't understand Uguti. So many men can just run away, leave their countries to come to a foreign country to take everything away. So this blackmail of saying we came to contribute in your country, we came to develop in your country. We don't need that. Your countries need that development. Your countries need that contribution more than South Africa. People are suffering back home. You have to go and create jobs in your own country. At least make your countries better. You cannot come to a better country like South Africa to say you came to develop South Africa instead of working to go and build your own country. You cannot develop your own country, but you want to develop other countries. What is the meaning of that? What does that mean? You fail to develop your own country. You fail to contribute in your own country. You want to contribute in other countries. You want to develop other countries. What is the meaning of that? So my brothers, continue. We want more of you. We need more of you in South Africa. We want more South Africans to come together to fight for this country. Thank you so much. We upload you, my brothers. So guys, please let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.